What up, YouTube? It's your boy Chris, aka The Real Chris. As you can see, it's snowing outside. I'm just making a run real fast. But I hope you guys have been good. I hope everybody's staying safe, corona free. I'm just gonna do like a voiceover. Hopefully this comes out okay. But yeah, man, I hope everybody's just staying safe, doing what you're supposed to do. Why are you gonna stop, bus? Oh my God, such a doofus. I took the day off today from work just because of this, but I know I've got more to endure, so I mean, I wouldn't say this is the last of the snowfall. But the first set of snowfalls, you know, people get crazy, so I prefer to wait it out, and then nobody's gonna drive into my car. But yeah, man, it's gonna be, supposedly it's a snowstorm. So I could say this is the first snowstorm of the season. It's Friday. It's about to be the weekend, and this is what it is living in Minnesota. Days like today, I wish I lived in Florida, to be honest. When people get crazy and they drive crazy, you really got to be on your P's and Q's, especially the first big snowfall. I think I've got to do a driving in snow for dummies kind of video, for some people who live in the United States and live in a state that has a lot of snow. But yeah, oh yeah, season greetings also, man. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and yours, your family, kids, everybody. I hope you guys have been good, and I hope Santa brings a lot of gifts for you. I've pretty much got all my shopping done. I don't really have a lot of shopping more to do. I did most of my shopping, or if not all my shopping, on Amazon, and it was so you sit right in your house and you can just, you know, I mean, that's why Amazon, they make so much money, I guess, because people like me shop on Amazon a lot. You just sit in your comfort of your home or your car or where you work, your job, and you just order as much as you can order. But yes, I'm heading over to my kids for a little bit. Seeing what they're up to. And then I got some really big decisions I have to make. By next year. So it's been kind of weighing on my mind, but it's a decision that I have to make. But you know what? I know I'll be alright. You know, I'll pray about it and put God first and have Him help me make the decisions. You know, a lot of times we try to do everything by ourselves and leave God out of it, and we make stupid decisions. You know. If you put God in your decision making and ask Him for His answers, and He'll come through for you, and He'll make them decisions that are those decisions that you know you who knows, you might not see His decision and why He made that decision for you at that point in time, but maybe farther down the road in the future, you'll figure out, oh, you know, this is why this happened. You know, I remember being engaged, and you know, so I spoke to a leader in the church, and I said, you know, I have never prayed and asked God if this girl is for me, like if this is going to be my wife, even though we're engaged. I've never done that. And he said, why don't you? You know, I'm like, I'm scared, because what if she's not, and God takes her away? You know, and I did that prayer. I was scared as hell, but I prayed and I asked. You know, I said, God, if this woman is for me, let it be, and let us get married and have a family and kids and everything else, and guess what happened? We broke up because she was cheating. You know? So I said that to say this. In every decision that you make, put God first. Let God help you to make that decision. If it's His will, you know, it could be for a job, a house, you know, your husband, your wife, a boyfriend, a Girlfriend, whatever it is. And you don't have to be a religious person, you know. You don't have to be a religious person to pray. You know, a lot of people feel, you know, you have to be religious, or you have to have a, you know, you have to be going to church 24/7. No, there's people who go to church Sunday after Sunday, and they're just hypocrites, you know. But I'm not to judge. You're not to judge. You know, they're gonna figure out they're wasting their time. But yeah, man, here I am at the lights now. I'm about to go over to my kids for a little bit and just hang out with them for a minute, and then yeah, I wanted to actually go to the store, but I don't know if I'll go to the store, because every time I go to the store, I buy stuff that I really don't want or need. I buy stuff that I want, end up spending money that I don't even have. So sometimes you just gotta, you've gotta swallow your pride and you know, put self aside. Because the girl I was engaged to, I was in love with her. I knew I was in love with her, you know. So that's why I was scared to lose her, because I'm like, what if God says she's not for me? And I said, God, if this girl is for me, we're gonna get married, and we're gonna have kids, we're gonna have a family, and everything is gonna be nice and dandy. But nope, it didn't happen that way. And that was, to me, that was from God, because what if we had gotten married and then she did that? You know, that would have been something else. And then God would have been like, see, you didn't ask me, and look what happened to you now. You know? But yes, it's snowy today. It's gonna snow all night tonight. I think one of the good things to have in snow is good tires and all-wheel drive. Meaning all you know, I don't know if you guys understand when I say all-wheel drive, but most SUVs are all-wheel drive. The majority of them are all-wheel drive, which really helps in the snow because you've got good traction. Hey, don't move. So yeah. But anyways, I do hope you guys have a great rest of the day. I'm about to pull up to my kid's house. So you guys have a good rest of the day, and I will see you soon. Peace. Oh, don't forget to like the video, and leave a comment, and just subscribe. You know, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell also. That way, whenever I post a new video, you guys will know, and you can get to see me again. All right. Once again, stay safe.